Well, we did it. We are closed today. This is our home. Everything went very well. We're all so pleased, very happy with how things have gone. Home is in perfect condition. It is now our house. Started in June of 2023. Here it is, April 25th, 2024. It is now our house. This happened about 4 hours ago. And we're doing everything we can to try to protect our home from the movers that are about to inundate the house in a couple of days. We've done everything to try to protect our floors. Tomorrow we're going to try to protect the walls. And at the same time, we'll have our gentleman put up our ceiling fans. Yeah, my father. Thanks, Dad. It's awesome. We've already tried to protect the floors as best we can. We're going to have most of the people come through the front door if we can. We'll be doing some ram board. We've already put blankets down to try to protect the new tile. We've curtain rods and everything will be put in tomorrow, as well as the fans. We got a myriad of fans to go, and we'll be actually putting this stuff together over the next several weeks. No big rush. But we got everything situated very, very nicely. Well, this light was on a moment ago. But yeah, different colors. Good color scheme for ourselves. Everybody has differences of opinion on how things should go, but that's okay. We're gonna put the ram board in when it comes time to put our heavy furniture and a safe in. But really everything is just perfect. Again, everything from the laundry room. We're actually gonna put these things on pedestals when we get a chance. This house is 1,600 square foot. Relatively small house, comparatively. But we've already inundated it with a lot of stuff.
Oh yeah, we are ready to rock and roll.
Yeah, we did this in just a couple hours. We've ready for our curtain rods and ceiling fans. We're gonna let some of the local workers do the work. And we've gotten a lot of things in the shelves. We're gonna be protecting the walls tomorrow from the movers. Obviously, doing everything we can to protect the tiles, especially with the bedroom suite and a heavy safe to come through. Again, we haven't finished this up, but we're going to call it a day. And again, we're going to do our best to try to protect the flooring for different boxes to come through. We're very, very happy. That back closet I'm not going to go to, but my God, it's a huge. It's almost as big as a bedroom. It's kind of ridiculous. But we're going to do our best tomorrow and try to protect the carpets and stuff like that. But like I said, we've got just about everything ready to go to have our gentleman put our ceiling fans in and whatnot. But we got 3 pendant lights to go. And there you go. Oh yeah. Yep, upside down. Yeah, they look nice. Doesn't like upside down, but that's okay. But yeah, we're ready to go. Very, very happy with how the build has gone.